Right, finally, just looking down at your gearbox, it's a 6-speed gearbox. To get it into reverse, you literally just push it through the gate and forward. It's beeped, so we must have parking sensors on here. Handbrake button in and up, pretty straightforward. Now, using the 4-wheel drive system, we can go from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive while we're moving under 30 mile an hour. You would only want to do that if you were losing grip completely on the back end. You would then be safe enough to put it into 4-wheel drive. You really only want to put it in if you're going in straight lines, or if you were driving in heavy snow, thick snow on the ground, something like that. And you literally just click it from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. It's then come up with 4-wheel drive light on the screen there. And then to go into 4-wheel low, you go into neutral. So we're in neutral gear here. We have our foot on the clutch and our foot on the brake. You would literally be going into a field where you were going to go really slowly across the field. You wouldn't put it in 4-wheel drive before you got to that stage. So we've got foot on the brake, foot on the clutch, in neutral. We turn it to 4-wheel low. You'll see that the light is flashing 4-wheel low down there, and now it's engaged. To come out of that, when you finish doing what you need to do in the field, again, you stop just before you're leaving the field. Foot on the brake, foot on the clutch, in neutral. Switch it back from 4 low to 4 high. You'll see the light flashing again. We're now in 4 high, and we can switch it back to 2-wheel drive. And that's it, it's done. We've got our trip reset in there, so it tells us our mileage. It's got a trip A on there, which I've just zeroed for you. It's also got a trip B, which I've zeroed for you. Illumination is how bright the dashboard is, and then we're back to your mileage again on there. So that's all the controls in the car.